I'm going to cover one more special method, and that's the EQ special method. This allows your instance to work with the equality operator, those two equal signs. So just a little review. We know how the equality operator works, with integers. So say we have some variable a, we assign it to 10, and then we just test it whether it is equal to 10. So that is true. We can test whether it is equal to, say, number 5. That is false. Now, let's go ahead and create card instances. So I'm just going to have it create different ones. And I'll just display them each to the screen. So card 1, card 2, card 3. Yes, card 1 and 3 are the same. And so if you try to use the equality operator, it actually does work. It actually will work as in it actually computes something. But what we like to do is have this return true since they are referencing the same card. Now, in order to do this, we have to define this special method to customize how the equality works. So just like repr controlled the default representation, the string representation, EQ will, if we define this method and like this, we'll be able to control what happens when we do equals equals. So the way it works is you have to define it with one other argument, this other parameter, and this will be past the other thing. That means the other one on the right side. So it's like saying card 1, that'll be self card 3 will be the other object being passed over here. So that's what happens over here. That's just the other argument that's passed. So it's sort of like a function or a method call, but without the actual parentheses. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to return a Boolean here. We're going to say self.rank. If self.rank equals other.rank and self.suit is equal to other.suit. So if they have the same rank and the same suit, then it will return true. Okay, and if you don't believe me, you can actually print out something over here. You can say inside equality operator like this. And now I'm going to recreate these cards with our new defined class. I'm going to say card 1, is that equal to card 3? It does run this print statement. This is just to show you that what is happening. And now it says true. So let's check this out. Okay, both the rank of card 1 and card 3 match, and the suits match. That's great. So now I can get rid of this print statement and do that. Card 1 equals card 2. That is false, right? So those are not equal. So if they have the same rank and the same suit, then we're going to say the cards are equal. And the way to do that is by defining this special EQ operator, which Python will allow you to, it says it hooks into this equals equals, and it passes it whatever is on the right-hand side over here, whatever object is over here, it passes it to other, and then we can just assume that this other is another card object, and then access its rank and suit attributes and just compare it to the current rank and suit of that card. All right, so that's how you can add in equality with this special EQ method.